Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to welcome you to this meditation experience where you possess immense strength. Our focus today centers on discovering self-love and accessing the inner wellspring of your power, concentration, and lucidity to be your absolute best day in and day out. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You can choose to sit in a chair, cross-legged, or even lie down. If you wish, softly close your eyes. Inhale deeply through your nostrils. Pause briefly, and then exhale slowly, releasing through both your nose and mouth. If you prefer, take a few more deep breaths, allowing yourself to sink into a natural and tranquil rhythm of breathing. As you do so, become more aware of your breath and your current presence in this space. You are gradually becoming more present, with your thoughts focusing right here and right now. Into the woods. Wholeheartedly embrace the potency residing within you to be present at this very moment. Allow this presence to aid you in letting go of any tension, of letting go of any stress you may be harboring. With every exhalation, envision that tension and stress gently dissipating. Feel your muscles relaxing, your thoughts calming. As you remain comfortably and attentively present, and your breathing becomes serene, you might want to imagine a warm, golden glow enveloping you, surrounding you with love and fortitude. With each breath, visualize this light intensifying. Visualize this light empowering you and bolstering your self-assurance. Take a few moments now to bask in this radiant light. You are here and present, at ease, aware that you hold the strength and power to confront any challenge that crosses your path. Now, as you linger in this delightful comfort and presence, with the radiant aura embracing you and your relaxed breathing, stress continues to melt away. We shall now proceed with an affirmation. Please feel free to echo these concise words after me, whether aloud or within your thoughts. Here they are. I am deserving of love. I merit contentment. My mind and body are resilient. I am enough, just as I am. I am potent. Wonderful. And now, as we move forward, recognize that self-love forms the bedrock of mental fortitude and clarity. Understand that none of us are flawless, but we can welcome our imperfections as focal points for growth. Embrace challenges that come your way, rather than fearing or avoiding them. Remember to be kind and loving to yourself, and let this kindness resonate deeply within you. By doing so, you gain the capacity to share this kindness and love with those around you. Let's transition to the visualization segment of this session. Picture yourself standing atop a majestic mountain. You are at its zenith, surveying everything below. Visualize whatever scene you prefer, perhaps a river winding through a valley, snow-capped peaks, the warm sun casting its radiance, or a forest of trees swaying in the gentle breeze below. Inhale the crisp mountain air deeply. You stand triumphant at the summit, rekindling your inner strength and might, knowing that you possess the capability to surmount even the most daunting challenges. Take a moment to soak it all in. Now you may visualize yourself slowly descending from this mountaintop, one step at a time. As you do, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the support of the ground beneath you as you continue to move forward in your mind. Should you desire, take a few more deep breaths, expelling any lingering tension or self-doubt. As we recenter ourselves in the present, remember that you are resilient and influential. You hold the focus and clarity required to conquer challenges and be your best every day. Take a moment to express gratitude to yourself for participating in this meditation and dedicating time to nurture your own inner strength and self-love. The ambient music will persist for a few more minutes, but when you're ready, if your eyes are closed, feel free to open them at your own pace. As you exit the woods, step forth into the day or night knowing that you are capable of greatness. Carry this feeling of empowerment and self-love everywhere you go, radiating strength and clarity in all that you undertake. You are truly powerful. Thank you for joining me